Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about Swaida Snail Medifacial, which is one of the leading medifacial in the current aesthetic market. So we need to understand what is Swaida Snail Medifacial, what are the major ingredients present in the medifacial, what is the procedure or the protocol of using it. So right now I'm going to present before you a slide which will describe you about what and all the medifacial contains and how to use it. Okay, so medifacial that delivers the synergistic effect of hydration, repair, rejuvenation, and protection. That is why the snail medifacial. So a medifacial which combines or which gives you the everything like a synergistic effect of all the hydration which is required, the skin repair needed, the rejuvenation and the protection, and we get all these things in one snail medifacial. That is why the snail medifacial. So we have got a lot of ingredients which is imported from different countries. Like we have snail mucin from France, we have mandelic acid from Switzerland, we have apibris from Spain, and manicouagan sea mineral from Canada. So now let's understand what is actually snail slime or the snail mucin is. We know snails are a numerous and a diverse group of organisms that belong to the gastropoda, a class of the phylum Mollusca. So the snail slime, also known to be as snail mucin, is actually a clear amber liquid which has got a lot of active ingredients including allantoin, collagen, proteins, enzymes, glycosaminoglycans, minerals, etc. So the snail slime or the snail mucin is secreted from the snail's salivary epidermal glands, and it is known for its natural benefits for the skin. So the creature snail itself is actually producing the snail mucin or snail mucus from its own salivary epidermal glands for its crawling or its silky smooth movement. But the snail mucin which is getting extracted from the snails are highly essential, or it's very much beneficial for the human skin as a shell, as its snail mucin, which is having allantoin. Allantoin is actually an enzyme which is necessary for a snail to change its shell. So it has got a lot of antioxidant properties, we know. Like antioxidant means it can fight against the free radicals which can damage the skin. So it can also favor skin regeneration, and it decreases the aging which is affecting the skin health. Another important ingredient which the snail mucin possesses is actually glycolic acid. So it's a highly moisturizing and a natural exfoliant which is excellent in fighting against the spots and wrinkles on the skin. Then we have a lot of vitamins present in the snail mucin. Vitamin A, which is very protective in nature. Then it has got vitamin C, which is highly nourishing. Then vitamin E, which act as anti-inflammatory. So let's understand that the single ingredient which is getting extracted from the snail mucin or the snail slime, has got a lot of active ingredients present in it, which is highly beneficial for the human skin. There is another important ingredient called hydroprotectol, which is the trademark name, but the scientific name is actually glycosaminoglycans. It is actually a multi-glycoprotein complex which is extracted from the snail mucin. So what is a major benefit of using this particular active ingredient is that hydroprotectol not only hydrates a thin layer on the surface of the skin, topmost layer of skin, that is epidermis, but it includes a plumping effect on the epidermis. The skin becomes more flexible, more tonic and smoother in texture, and it gives amazing hydration power so that the roughness is getting decreased to 21%. So this hydroprotectol contains a high percentage of glycosaminoglycans, which provides a high moisturization power. So this hydroprotectol or the glycosaminoglycans is one of the key ingredient present in our product. And it's completely a cruelty-free product. Our Swaida snail medifacial, we have not harmed any of the snails. The particular snail mucin is getting extracted from the snails using physical stimulation. There is nothing which is being done to harm the particular animal. So let's see in abstract about the uses and the properties and the benefits of this particular snail mucin. As we have already discussed, snail mucin have got amazing properties. So it is helpful in the anti-aging formulation. It can be used in anti-spot formulation, anti-stretch marks, and improvement of the scars formulation. It has got great moisturization benefit. It helps in anti-acne treatment. When you see the properties and benefits, it regenerates the damaged skin and tissues. It stimulates skin regeneration. It helps in healing. It helps in anti-irritation and the smoothing actions. It provides hydration and protects skin for the external aggressions. It helps in the skin nourishment, skin nutrition, improve the skin texture and the luminosity, promotes the synthesis of collagen and elastin. It diminishes the scars and stretch marks. So you can say there are n number of properties and benefits which you get from the snail slime or the snail mucin. Now let's understand what are the each step used in the Swaida snail medifacial and what are the major key active ingredients present in it. So the first step is actually Swaida snail cleanse, and we have got it in 3 gram. So the major active ingredients present in the first step is actually cetyl alcohol, niacinamide, then we have glycerin, then we have hemp seed oil, allantoin, and snail mucin. So the major function and benefits what you get is from these ingredients are skin conditioning. So it provides great conditioning to the skin. It helps in the anti-inflammatory properties. That means it gives so much soothing and it calms all the irritated skin. Skin regeneration has been given, so it favors skin regeneration, decreases the aging which can actually affect the skin, and nourishment. It is actually giving nutrition to the skin, it's nourishing the skin and protecting it from the external environmental damage happening to skin. Then next we have Swaida snail rejuve, which possess active ingredients like snail mucin, glycerin, deep panthenol, metrixyl 3000. Then it has glutathione, propylene glycol, HA solution, allantoin, hemp seed oil. So from the name Reju for rejuvenation, so it helps in the skin repairing, promotes skin healing and the repair of the damaged skin cells. It helps in the anti-aging functions of stimulating more collagen so that your skin always looks very younger. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and lines which causes aging. It provides a very good soothing effect. It soothes the skin by reducing the redness and irritation which is happening, also helps in the moisture retention. So it maintains the moisture level in skin by preventing the dryness and the dehydration which is happening so that your skin is always very smooth in texture. The third step, if you see, Swaida Snail Glow. It has got active ingredients like snail mucin, it has got glycerin, it has got mandelic acid, it has got api breeze, it has got hemp seed oil. So all these ingredients are contributing towards hydration maintenance, retains moisture level by keeping the skin always very hydrated and balanced. It helps in the replenishing of the skin barrier. So it maintains moisture level in the skin by preventing dryness and promoting a healthy skin barrier. Progressive exfoliation. It exfoliates the skin with no irritation happening. Then also antioxidant. So combats, fight against the free radicals and the environmental damage which can contribute to the premature aging. And the fourth step is actually Swaida snail revite, which has got active ingredients like snail mucin, manicogan sea mineral, glycerin, deep panthenol, propylene glycol, HA solution, allantoin, and hemp seed oil. So it contributes towards skin regeneration, that is promoting the skin healing, regeneration and repair, enhancing skin health and resilience, reduces the aging which is happening at a very young age itself, that is premature aging. It tries to reduce that, combat the free radicals and protect it from the external damages. Then it helps in the calming effect also. It calms the skin by reducing the redness, irritation, and the inflammation. So these are all the active ingredients which are actually present and how it is contributing towards the benefits towards the skin health. Now let's understand what is actually the procedure or the protocol of Swaida snail medifacial. What are the 4-step regimen? First step is actually cleansing. So you have to begin with thorough cleansing with Swaida snail cleanse, the first step, for 3 to 5 minutes so that you can remove entire dirt, oil and impurities from the skin surface. So this actually makes your skin or prepare your skin for the coming subsequent treatment. So first, cleansing is been highly essential in the first step. Second is actually rejuve. So you can infuse the Swida snail rejuve here for nearly 6 to 6 minutes with gentle massage. Again, for 3 minutes, you can promote more massaging, renewal, so that there is improvement in the skin texture and the tone. Third step is actually glow, and this completely depends on the patient's skin. Maybe if he or she is having a very sensitive skin, maybe combination dry skin, any skin type, it may cause slight irritation or minor exfoliation. So it depends on the doctor to say whether this particular patient should apply this particular step for how much time. So the maximum we suggest is only near 2 minutes. So you have to apply a thin, even layer of Swida snail glow into the face. You have to avoid the sensitive, delicate area like eye and the lips. And you can use clean fingertips or soft brush to spread it. So within maximum 2 minutes, you can go for the next step. That is revived. So conclude with Swida snail revived for to enhance the radiance, employing the specialized. It is a Swida snail mask here. You have to apply it for 6 minutes to nourish, hydrate, leaving the skin very renewed, luminous, and revitalized. So these are actually one of the clinical treatment done by Swida Snail Medifacial, where we got the before after images, and you could see clearly how the patient's skin has been more nourished and becomes more free of lines and wrinkles. When you compare the before and the after image, you could see in the before picture there are more lines, more spots, more wrinkles on the patient's face. And when you see the after image of the treatment, you can see the skin has become more nourished, more smoother in texture, more clean in nature, everything. So this is actually wonderful product, Swida Snail Medifacial, which can actually make your skin very clean, smoother, and definitely very much younger looking. So that's all about Swida Snail Medifacial. Thank you.